Hey there, future sap-sd superstars across India. Are you tired of being stuck in the same job with no clear growth path? Struggling to find that hidden gem career that actually pays well and has real stability? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the sap-sd career path that no one talks about. One that can take you from zero experience to 20 plus lakhs within just 3 to 5 years. You will discover 5 game-changing secrets about sap-sd that will completely transform your career thinking, including why this is the perfect time to jump into this field and the exact roadmap I wish someone had shown me years ago. Let me tell you about Priya from Pune, and trust me, her story will blow your mind. It was August 2013. I was sitting in a small cafe near Koregaon Park, Pune, scrolling through LinkedIn during my lunch break. I had just finished reading another success story from someone who had completely changed their career path. At that moment, I was feeling frustrated and hopeful at the same time. Frustrated because I felt stuck in my current role, hopeful because I could see there were people making these incredible career transformations. My phone buzzed with a WhatsApp message from my colleague Priya. Yeah, I just got selected for sap-sd training. The salary they are offering after completion is double what I'm making right now. I remember thinking, what the hell is this sap-sd? Little did I know that moment would change everything. So, what exactly is sap-sd that everyone seems to be keeping secret? SAP sales and distribution is the backbone of every company's sales process. Think about it. Every time you order something on Amazon, every time a company ships products, every time an invoice is generated, sap-sd is working behind the scenes. Here is the secret. While everyone is chasing AI and blockchain, sap-sd remains unshakable foundation that every business needs. It's not going anywhere. In fact, it's becoming more valuable. Drop a comment below if you have ever wondered how companies manage millions of orders every day. Now, here are the 5 game-changing insights about sap-sd careers that no one talks about. Secret number 1, the 20 lakh reality check. Most people think SAP careers take 10 years to reach good salaries. Wrong. The average sap-sd professionals in India earns 21 lakhs, and that's just the average. I know consultants making 50 plus lakhs within 5 years. Secret number 2, the age myth is completely bullshit. Remember the story I mentioned? I met a 41-year-old woman who started her sap-sd journey and landed a job in Germany within 6 months. Age is just a number if you have the right strategy. Secret number 3, S4HANA is your golden ticket. While others are learning old SAP ECC, smart people are focusing on S4HANA. This is where the real opportunities are in 2024 and 2025. Companies are desperately looking for S4HANA SD consultants. Secret number 4, the Indian advantage. India is becoming the global hub for SAP consulting. Companies from Germany, US, and UK are actively hiring Indian sap-sd professionals for remote roles. Your English skills plus sap-sd knowledge is global opportunities. Secret number 5, the integration gold mine. Don't just learn SD in isolation. Learn how it integrates with materials management and finance. This makes you 3 times more valuable and 10 times more employable. Now, let's brutally honest about the challenges. Challenge number 1, complex pricing configurations. Solution: start with basics. Use sandbox environments. Challenge number 2, getting that first break. Solution: build a strong LinkedIn presence, join SAP communities. Challenge number 3, staying updated with S4HANA. Solution: continuous learning through SAP Talks and similar platforms. The biggest mistake people make, they try to learn everything at once. Focus on one thing at a time and master it. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways. 1. SAP-SD is the hidden gold mine. Stable, high paying and in demand. 2. 4 lakhs to 50 lakhs progression is absolutely realistic. 3. S4HANA skills are your ticket to premium opportunities. 4. Age and background don't matter. Determination does. 5. Integration knowledge makes you irreplaceable. Here is my personal recommendation. If you are serious about transforming your career, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start learning SAP SD today. And if you want structured, comprehensive training that covers everything from basics to advanced S4HANA concepts, check out my course on SAP Talks. I have designed it specifically for Indian students who want to crack the SAP SD market fast. If this video opened your eyes to the SAP SD opportunity, smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this to more career confused people like you were 10 minutes ago. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more career transformation content. Drop a message, comment telling me what is your biggest fear switching to SAP SD. I read every single comment and reply personally. Share this video with that one friend who is always complaining about their job. They will thank you later. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your dream career is just one skill away.